Caleb Pierce from the Idaho Family Policy Center. Caleb, thanks for joining us today. I have to tell you, just personally speaking, when I heard about this story a year ago and these parents reached out to us, I can't tell you, I've been waiting for this day to happen. So I thank you. I thank your organization for stepping up and taking on this case. What can you tell us so far? What else can you expand upon here from your press release?
Yeah, Matt, thanks so much for having me on the show. I think it's a really important issue, and we care a lot about our client and getting justice for our client, and intend to hold Boise High School accountable for its actions. And that's why we filed this lawsuit, right? So we filed the notice of tort claim back in September with the school district, and that process means that they have a certain amount of time to respond to that, and they didn't respond, which constitutes a denial of the claim. And so we're filing this lawsuit to hold them accountable for their actions, right? And I think, like you mentioned, right, the focus isn't really on the student, right? That our client encountered, right? The main focus of this lawsuit is on Boise High School and the Boise School District for their failure to protect our client and her privacy and safety in the women's restroom. And this is exactly why Senate Bill 1100 was researched, drafted, and championed by Idaho Family Policy Center years ago, was to protect students like this in public school bathrooms across the state of Idaho, to protect women and girls and their privacy and safety in these bathrooms. In this case, it illustrates exactly why that's so important. But rather than follow the law, Boise High School decided to flout the law and violate it, and we're going to hold them accountable for that.